Welcome to another edition of English Makes No Sense. Today we're going to take a look at some confusing words. Confusion in English? Do tell. Yes, today's words look exactly the same, have slightly different pronunciations, and totally different meanings. They're homographs. Come on. W-I-N-D. Wind. Short I. It's wind and it's a noun. Feel the wind? Then W-I-N-D, the verb wind, long I, is, to wind a rope around something, to wind. Got it. Now, the past tense of wind is wound. Yeah, wound. But as a noun, wound becomes wound. What? No, wound. Let's review. Wind is a noun. Wind is a verb. Past tense of wind is wound. Got it. But if you have this word wound as a noun, then you pronounce it wound, an injury. I know, it's confusing. Let's review. Wind, noun, wind, verb. Past tense of wind, the verb, is wound. Got it. I wound the rope around the pole. Perfect. Now, wound can also be pronounced as wound, and then when it's wound, it's a noun. Got it? An injury. Why does English have so many words that look exactly the same, have a slightly different pronunciation, and totally different meanings and parts of speech? I don't know, but now you can read and understand this sentence, I hope. The wind wound the rope around my hand, causing a wound. What? Come on, English.